is Nikki and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I got this gray black smoky eye. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So to start off this look, I'm going in my crease and I'm taking one of the deeper gray tones in the Maybelline The Rock Nudes palette, and I'm applying that all into my crease, and I'm also taking a really light gray over top of it just to kind of blend it out so it's not too deep, so that when we add the black onto our lid, we see a nice contrast between those two colors. So next I'm going into the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm taking the shade Spooky, which is that black, and it's one of the most pigmented blacks I've used, and I'm just using a dense brush to apply that on to my lid. I found this to be very easy, and it covered the space that I wanted while also helping blend it out, so I found it to be really easy application for someone who doesn't use black eyeshadows in this way. So here, as you're gonna see, I made a huge mistake. There was a bit of fallout, and then my face turned gray, but I didn't have any makeup wipes to remove it, but my foundation covered it. But don't be Nikki, don't make that mistake. But I decided to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer to try and cancel out the color, and then it made it even like more gray. It looked like I put gray foundation on, so yeah, don't do what Nikki did. Keep you on your toes when you're in it, so don't keep it away from me for long. Now I'm taking my foundation. This is the CoverGirl True Blend in shade T15, and I am applying that all over. I'm really trying to get rid of that gray because that was just terrible. For concealer today, I decided to go in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, and I really like this, and I love the combination of the foundation and the concealer together. I say that a lot about the products that I use, but I don't know, I just be finding good combos. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I believe it is in the shade Light Medium 20. I will correct myself if I'm wrong down in the description box down below. But I'm first taking it with my Beauty Blender and I'm kind of stamping it onto the places where I concealed so that those places can be highlighted. And then I'm going to take what's left in my cap and kind of dust it all over my face to set the rest of my face as well. So for the next three steps, I'm going to be using this Beauty Bakery Neapolitan bar, and it has a blush, bronzer, and a highlighter, 3-in-1. So good, I love it. So I'm using it as my contour, my blush, and my highlight shade.
Even your man know Nikki's doing better. I know you don't like me. You wanna fight me. Always on my page, never double tap like me. Babies to my left and my right. Never chase a corny nigga, put that on.
So I'm taking that same brush that I used to pack on the shade Spooky onto our lid, and I'm taking whatever is left on that and smoking out my under eye, and it was the perfect amount and the perfect application. I think I'm going to start using this brush in order to smoke out my under eye because it was really good, and I'm taking that same mascara and just doing my lower lashes. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad, bad bitch don't come for free. For lips, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner. This is one of the deeper shades of that lip liner collection, and I'm using that to line my lips. And then once that's done, I'm going to be taking one of my new favorite nudes, which is the NYX Lingerie lipstick, and it's in the shade Baby Doll. These two together are such a great combo. Touch me, tease me, love me, please me, baby. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Wish you had a switch that you could hit. Let her know what you with. I thought that adding a glass on top would just complete the look, so I took this Elizabeth Arden. It is basically a lip plumping gloss, and I just applied it on top, and I think it made the look perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the look down below. I really love this look. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Addicted to